What's up, guys? Zach here with OK Palms. It's March 18th. I opened this big Washingtonia a couple days ago. It's about, I don't know, 9 foot up. So can't really see it, but of course a lot of the outside ones, they always get damaged, but I mean, there'll still be, if you're looking through there, still a ton of green and probably 8 to 10 fronds that'll still be super green once I cut all the dead off, which are these oldest lower guys anyways. But yeah, looking near perfect, so just like it always does each spring. But yeah, I'll show the weather. It's gonna go like straight to summer the next few days, so I'm sure we'll have another dip, but probably nothing crazy. So I'm not gonna take the box off just yet. I still got the window over there, but I'll leave it open for quite some time and then eventually take it off if I don't need to put the front back on. All right, what's up, guys? Back in the greenhouse today. Gonna pot up some additional elephant ears here. Got several in the garage going on a heat mat, and with the weather changing, I'm gonna go ahead and leave a lot of these probably in the greenhouse just because it's so hot right now. And see if I can't get the elephant ear started early again this year. I think a couple years ago I did probably, I don't know, 20-25 in pots, and had a pretty good rate. I had some that just dudded out and rotted, but overall good rate. So I think I'm gonna keep doing that, and I mix some mojitos and some black magic in there as well. But yeah, I'll go ahead and pot up some of these things right here. My kids like to get these little cactus, and then of course they don't do anything with them. So I get to take care of them, and they just stay in the greenhouse. These are all new, but this one right here, it's been out here all winter, unheated greenhouse. Looks a little rough, but overall, I mean, I'm pretty sure it's still alive. It's putting out a tiny little flower on that backside, I think. So, but yeah, back to what I was doing. I'll go ahead and get these potted up, and then I'll come in one of the regular ears, if you can see. And there is starting the grow light makes it hard, but anyways, yeah, you can see one of them in there is starting to break the soil. So none of these others have yet that I can tell. And then these guys are the black magic ears. So yeah, just thought I'd hop on here and show some tropical growth, just not a palm tree this time.